Mid-State Technical College is one of the 16 technical colleges in the state of Wisconsin's Wisconsin Technical College system.
In both our apprenticeship programs and our two-year programs, we emphasize the hands-on learning as much as we can.
The importance of using hands-on equipment and having lab experience, simulated lab experience, is really critical to the success of the student. We find that our students are more engaged. They are able to be in class for a longer duration when we have those in-lab experiences for them.
Typically, our two-year programs serve our students coming out of high school directly. We also serve incumbent workforce with contract training and people who are upskilling their jobs.
Seeing them grow over the 2 years they're with me and in this associate degree program is really rewarding for me. Sometimes they'll come in and they've never picked up a tool in their life. And so you think, wow, why did you choose this? But then you start to train them, and they took some tech ed classes in high school and they liked it. So, and that's the extent of their mechanical background. And they learn and they grow and they find out they have this ability to learn and understand things they never thought of before.
Our hope is that they're a very well-rounded introductory technician. They've seen a lot of the things that they're going to be, working on day in, day out, the chain drives, the belt drives, the alignment.
The broad set of skills we teach here at Mid-State certainly serve many industries in central Wisconsin.
Our employers are encouraging us more and more to add trainers, add simulated experience and hands-on experience for the student. So where we can, in a controlled environment, simulate what they would see on the job site, that's what we're there to achieve. We always look at the quality of equipment. We want to have a quality product that's not going to be something that's only going to last us for 2 or 3 years. We want a piece of equipment that's going to last us for 5+ years.
We utilize the DAC equipment for our mechanical power transmission and bearing classes in the millwright apprenticeship, as well as in our industrial mechanical technician 2-year program. From DAC, we have the bearing mounting equipment. We also have some alignment equipment that we utilize, as well as the belt and chain drive systems.
What's nice about the DAC trainers is that we can reconfigure them to show the way things might be set up differently on any given machine.
I really like the versatility of them, so we can go from mounting the belts and jump right to the chain unit, and without having to adapt a lot or reconfigure equipment very much. And a lot of it is just very, very easy to swap the pulleys to sprockets and things like that.
All the basic knowledge that I teach in classes, understanding simple machines like levers, pulleys, wheels, all of those general simple machines are made of. And so I can show them that here's how this works. This is how the physics of what's happening actually works, and it's safe to do it. We don't have to do it on a running machine. The DAC equipment has really been handy and good for supporting those basic skills that they need to go out and build their careers upon.
Our employers love our graduates. We literally can't turn out graduates fast enough to meet their needs. We can't recruit fast enough to get them into programming right now. There's such a strong need for the skilled trades here in central Wisconsin and all over the state of Wisconsin right now, that we're truly an institution that's in demand.
I'll have employers reaching out and saying, can we get interns? Can we get someone that can come in and learn on the job as well as at school? A lot of people don't know what the industrial maintenance field is. And so coming to a technical college, joining a program that's titled Industrial Mechanical Technician is sometimes a bit of a wager on their part. Like, I'll do this, I'll try it, and we'll see what happens. And the students that fit well grow immensely, even if they've never done anything like this before. I get a lot of satisfaction out of that. So that for me, that means a lot. They are absolutely lucrative careers. On the low end right now, my graduates are starting $26, $28 an hour. On the high end, in the 30s, this is starting wages. Some of them are making 6 figures in their first couple years of work, which is incredible. It is quite attractive. But it has to be the right person. It has to be the person who wants to work with their hands, who wants to be a problem solver and a logical thinker, so that they can fix those problems that occur or prevent them from happening in the first place.
We're so happy to work with a great company like Lab Midwest in supporting us with educational technology and training equipment. When I speak about service and sales, they're some of the best in the business, truly, and have always been huge supporters of our college and all of the 16 technical colleges.